Hi everyone, today I want to upgrade this old modern home theater into a new model that is with just a Bluetooth module. So the old type used cord to connect to your audio source, but with this one we are going to use Bluetooth module to upgrade it to a new model where it will be using FM, Bluetooth, a TF card and so many more. So what we're going to do, we use this slot here for the DVD, so that's where it's going to fit in. Then we'll use our 5-volt power supply to get power into this. Then this one, there is a ground connection. One is for antenna, the red one is for antenna, then one is ground, another one is left channel, another one is right channel. So don't worry, when I'm doing the connection I'll show you properly. Okay, so this is the power supply, so stay tuned. Alright, so first thing, we have to identify the pin to avoid the wrong wiring. Though it is labeled there, but the labeling is not too accurate as the tests are far apart. We know that this red one is a power supply, so but which one is negative and which one is positive among these two, so that is what I'm going to find out. So to find out which one is negative, which is ground, I have to test each of the cable to the ground. So most of the ions are grounded, so I will place one probe here on the ground, then test the cable. Okay, so definitely this cable is reading to ground, so this is ground. If this one is ground, this one is positive. As you can see, it's not reading. So I'm going to use this 5-volt power supply source to feed in the power. So red is positive, so we go to the positive. Then the black is negative, then we go to the negative of the power supply. So I'm only working on the power supply now, so this one is the audio output, so I'm coming to that section. Let me round up this one. Okay, so the DC has been supplied, and now the DC also need input voltage from the mains. Okay, there, live and neutral, but polarity doesn't matter, you can interchange it, but I will just make it live to live. So this is the main AC input to the amp with the DC adapter, and the second one, which is neutral, go to neutral. Okay, so the AC has been supplied to it, and then we have to go to the DC input of the module. Now we are done with this power supply section. The next thing is the audio output. So it's a stereo system, so we have left, right and ground. So this 3 cable. Okay, so the next stage is to identify the wire that goes to ground. Which one is antenna, which one is ground, which one is left channel and which one is right. So the antenna is already known to be this red one. So the next one we are going to find out is to know which one is ground among these 3. Because these 3, one is left channel, another one is right channel, then one is ground. So we need to find out which one is ground using the same method, testing each wire to the iron body, any iron body on the panel. Okay. So one to this USB iron. Okay, so this is likely ground, is reading. Alright, so I'll mark this one as ground. So if this one is ground, then one of these will be either left or right. So this one will also be either left or right. It doesn't matter if left go to right on the amplifier or left go to left. So we can interchange that one easily. Then we know that this one is antenna. So I am going to also identify the audio input here. This is the main audio input of the old amplifier. So if these 3 connection, one of them is ground, then the other one is left channel, the other one is right channel. So because it is a stereo system, what we need to find out is to discover which connection here is ground. Then the ground of the module will go straight to that ground. Okay, then one channel go to one channel, the second channel go to the second channel, and that's all the connection that you need to do aside the power supply. Alright, so first of all, let me find out which one is ground. So So using the body, any iron body, not reading. Okay, this one is reading. So this first one is the ground. So the ground from the audio Bluetooth module will come here, will be connected to this first one. This is ground to ground. Then the two channels, one will come here, the second one will come here. Then I will just extend the antenna wire a bit to capture radio station. Okay, that is all. So I'm going to do the soldering now. So to be sure, again, this is ground. Okay, so this one will be connected here. So I'm going to do the soldering. So let me give a brief summary of the connection. Then we go for testing. So the right side is the VCC, can operate at 5 volts, 12 volts. So for the safety of the system, I am supplying in 5 volts through this 5 volt adapter. Okay, so here it is. Then the audio output from the Bluetooth module go to the audio input of the main amplifier board. So here there are the two channels. One is ground, left channel, right channel, and that's all the simple connection you need to do. Then this third wire is for antenna to pick a radio station. Alright, so let me couple it and then we do the testing together. Okay, so it has been coupled and then it's time for final testing. So this is how it was. This is how I insert it to the main amp. So I have to turn it on now.
Bluetooth mode connected.
So it's already connected to this iPhone. So let me test. So let me use different equalizer.
FM mode. Line E mode. Bluetooth mode connected.
So as you can see, it's working perfect. So I'm going to cover it now and arrange it properly for him to enjoy his music.
Line E mode.
It's in auxiliary. You can use it auxiliary also. Auxiliary. Then I can switch to Bluetooth mode by selecting mode.
Bluetooth mode connected.
So it can happen. Okay, so it's playing via Bluetooth right now. I can increase the volume here. So I can adjust the equalizer using different one. That is all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with friends, comment, like. Have a beautiful day.